Let's talk about adding vectors method 2. So again, let's try to add vector A to vector B, but this time let's use the triangle method. In this method, you actually have to know parts of a vector arrow. The end is called the tail, and the tip is called the head. Let's start with vector A. Find the tail of vector A and label it as your starting point. Next, find all the heads. So this is vector A's head, and this is vector B's head. You're going to add the tail of vector B to the head of vector A like this. So basically, make sure that the heads are not running into each other. Again, the head of vector A is going to be connected to vector B's tail. So let's go ahead and move it back over here. Label the head of vector B as the ending point because you're going to make a triangle. So draw an arrow from your starting point all the way over to your end point. Make sure that the arrow is pointing where you ended up and label this R for resultant. And vector A plus vector B is going to equal R.